Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just tried taking out my Fortec and I only get it up to like 50 miles an hour and it was just so uncontrollable. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It's kind of disappointing. It just won't stick to the ground the way I got it set up right now. So it'll probably be a next summer build or something like that I'll start messing with. But I'm going to mess out with my my Kyosho, my Fazer Mk2. I got I think a Max 10 in there, 3S. I do have a Fortec 48 tooth or 48 pitch spur gear in there. So I think it's a 55 or 62, one of those. So it should do a little faster than what I had in there last time, which was I believe the stock spur gear in there, but I had like a 37 tooth pinion. So it's yeah, we'll see what it does. I haven't driven it. I messed with it around in my work a little bit, but they were rubber tires, so they just kept ballooning and it kept sliding out. Now I got foams in there, and let's see if we can get a little speed out of this one too. So I'm gonna put track start. Let's see what she does here. Yeah, she's reading now, so let's put her down and see what we can do here, guys. Said I haven't really, I messed around with this one. I guess she's going a little to the right. Steering trim. Those stupid blue reflectors. It's, I don't know about this remote, so I'm kind of how far it goes. It's a stock remote in these guys, so let's see what she's got, huh? Oh, lots of rocks on that side. So I know I've gotten her up to 62 before. So let's see what that was. That was a pretty good solid run. Let's see. Stop, read, 62 again. Wow, I thought I would have got more speed out of it because I changed the gearing on it. Let's see if we can do that again. Start. It's tracking. And I don't know what it is about these if all these phasers run this smooth or what, but this thing's run smooth ever since I got it. Even stock, it was stock tires, it was great. Yeah, that's all the way, guys. Oh, damn, looks like all four tires are on there. It's my first flip with this car. Tires all look good. Steering's good. Yeah, everything's good. Even the mirrors folded in like they're supposed to. Man. Little scuff on the roof. Kind of bums me out. Car wasn't too bad. Let's see what she was going at when stop, read 63. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed in that, guys. Thought she'd be a little That should be a little faster. Oh. Yeah, his body's kind of like a parachute. That's what I learned with my Fortec when I had the Mustang. These stock bodies, you can get some good speed out of them, but man, it holds you back quite a bit too. I don't know what I keep, I think there's a reflector right there in the middle of the road. These 1/10 cars don't like that. I broke something now. God dang it. Yeah. Oh no, I just popped an arm off, guys. See if I can fix that real quick. I lost a clip.